This is Dudley. He's playful, no? He's cheerful. He likes to play with that fish, see? The fish that I'm taping right there. Whoa! This is what happens when I grab the fish and show it to him. See? Run it. He is new. His new name is Buddy. My dad gets confused and he calls me Buddy a lot. So, try and grab the fish. Watch this. See, I set the fish like that. He will do something. It's right there. Get it. Dudley, get it. This is, sometimes he stands like this. Like, wait. See? Go get it, Dudley. I mean, Buddy. Buddy. It's over there. Go get him. See? It's right there. Dudley. See? Fetch. This is one of his little shirts. Team player, it says. With the T, that's one of his sweatshirts. And this is Dudley in action. Ready, Dudley. Steady, Dudley. Go! Yeah! Dudley! And this is the ending of